Hi, my name is Giorgio Saturnino. I'm the Food and Beverage Operation Manager of Four Seasons President Club of Yara. Today I'm here to show you how to pull a great cup of espresso. What espresso really means is doing everything fresh. And there's really 7 simple rules that I will walk you through today how to brew the perfect cup of coffee. One is the blend. The blend we're using here today is called First Avenue Blend or Uptown Blend. From Ponte Coffee in Seattle. It's a blend of Central and South American beans, and this blend is specifically crafted to make milky drinks like lattes and cappuccinos and all that good things. After the blend, we're really going into the grind. The grind, really important. You have to have the right milk. You can't have the grind too fine. You can't have the grind too coarse, otherwise you'll lose all the aroma and all the body in that shot of espresso. Right after the grind, we'll go into the dose. Very important, the dosing, 7.5 grams. Typically it's used for a single shot of espresso and about 15 grams for a double shot of espresso. Dosing and then tamping. Tamping, very important. What tamping really means, it's compacting the grounds of coffee into the portafilter. Going to the machine, 3 other elements really important. The pressure, the temperature, and the time. Your pressure, you want it to be around 9 bars, and temperature of the water 194 Fahrenheit to 204 Fahrenheit. And the timing of the shot should be anywhere between 17 seconds to all the way up to 24 seconds, 25 seconds. So here today we're gonna perfect shot. First of all, we want to level the grounds. Now, the pressure that we will apply is about a 30-pound pressure. And right after that, we'll go into something that is called blessing the portafilter. Just want to make sure that we take all the grounds out and we have a nice, touching your both surface. Here we go. And here we can tell from the beautiful crema that the coffee is being roasted just in the right way. Coming out slowly, thinning, really nice. And here we have a beautiful cup of espresso. The way to determine that espresso is just perfect is when you taste it. You want that silky texture, you want the smoky aftertaste that just fill your mouth. So, cheers.